back. Today we are learn how to make a program to check whether the number is prime or not. So let's get started. So let's make a class. Sorry for that. So make a class prime number. So I am taking a scanner class to take the input. Okay. So Control Shift O to import the packages. Okay. Now give SOP1 to take input. I am using try block to write our risky code like int. Here we take num equal to sc dot next int. With the help of scanner we can do that. And I am creating one method. It will check whether the number is prime or not. Okay. So I is prime and I am passing num in it. Press Control 1. It will automatically create this method. And I am handling the exception. We got input mismatch exception here because we have a int argument. If we are trying to insert anything that is beyond int, it will give input mismatch exception. Like if the our argument is int and if we trying to insert a string in it or double in it, then it will throw some input mismatch exception. And I am using finally block to close the resources. Now in method I have write logic to whether the number is prime or not. So first of all I am taking I am like I will put this variable into temp so that the we cannot lose the original value of its num. Like and if I am taking one flag, I am taking false, you can also take true, false, whatever you want to take. So based on the we will create a logic. So I am creating a for loop to check whether the number is divisible by other numbers or not. So I am checking uh, num. I will start from the 2 and it will check from the half. I am iterating loop half because after the half we cannot divide the num. Like we have a 10 and we the half of 10 is 5. So after the 5 the number 6, 7, 8 they cannot divide the 10 exactly. So before 5 we can divide the number 10 exactly. That's why I'm taking half of it. If like num percent I equals to 0, then flag true हो जाए, flag equals to true. Okay, now after this give a check if flag double equal to true, then we can say our number is not prime, right? Else our number is prime. Okay, now run the program and check the output. So it will run. Let's give some input like 5, check prime. Okay, so I am given 6, not prime, 7, not prime, 7 prime, sorry, and 8, not prime. Okay, 55, not prime. Okay, it's working fine. Well, 76, not prime. Like, so let's try to check the input mismatch exception. Suppose we are giving here KL, KJF, then it will comes here and catch the exception and print print the result like please insert only numbers only. Okay, so this will handle properly. But this program have a one glitch. It will not find the negative numbers of the prime. Like if -5 we can check, then is it prime? Okay, -6 also check. It will also give the prime, right? Because it will check here this conditions not going to the this loop, so it will check the num. So by default the flag is false, so it will comes here whatever the numbers we are giving to like 1 0 -1, it will come here and always say prime, so we can correct these into the knife into the. So first of all, we convert the negative number into the positive number. So that's why, so all the things are correct, right? First, it will like here we can one logic. If num, we can say temp equals to 0 and like and 1, we can say 1 or 1, we can say also temp equal to 0. Okay, temp double equal to 0 and temp or temp double equal to 1, then we can say it is not prime. And after that we can system dot exit. Okay, so in this situation finally our not work. After that we can return break is there, no break can be used in the. So okay, let's check. We can put here in the if conditions, if this is there, then it will goes into the else part. Okay, you can find here logic. Now it's look good. If this is done and done, okay. If one condition or check, mm, like else if temp less than 0, like then we can convert it into the positive number. So temp equal to temp into -1. Okay, so it will convert into the positive. So we will check number. So here we can also give temp. Okay, like equal to true. Now we can run the program and check the output. It's working or not. So let's give 2. So it will prime. Let's check this situation. 0 and 1. 1 not prime. Working fine. Let's give 0 not prime. Working fine. Let's give minus number. -2. Oh, not working. So it will come here where it is. Or else if it will check temp is less than 0, it is 0, then temp into -1. Then the condition is temp for like 2. So it will check 2 or not. It will goes down, down, down. Okay. So it comes here, but not goes into the loop, right? Else if so, we have to cut this logic and provide into proper place. So we do it here. We can use one for loop, one if if temp is less than 0, then temp equal to temp into -1. Now it's work. Give any minus number. Prime, okay. Give some not prime number, -6, not prime. So it's working fine. So first it will convert the negative number into positive number, then positive number we can check here, right? And this loop for the 0 and 1, because 0 and 1 we cannot check here in the loops. So this will work here, okay? And fine. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.